Plant roots, the unseen structures that anchor plants into the soil and facilitate nutrient and water uptake, have been present in the fossil record since the earliest known land plants approximately 470 million years ago. These roots emerged as a crucial evolutionary adaptation, enabling early land plants to colonize terrestrial environments. Their emergence was influenced by a combination of factors, including the development of vascular tissues and a rise in atmospheric oxygen levels, which supported the growth of larger and more complex plants. Over the course of millions of years, roots diversified to adapt to various soil types, climates, and ecological niches. By the Mesozoic era, around 200 million years ago, monocots like orchids and grasses had evolved the characteristic fibrous root systems, while dicots developed taproots and extensive lateral root systems. These root systems became increasingly sophisticated, allowing plants to access deeper soil layers, improve water and nutrient retention, and enhance their ability to compete for resources with other plants. The development of root systems had significant impacts on ecosystems, driving the evolution of complex food webs and shaping the structure of soil profiles. As agricultural practices evolved, root systems became critical for crop production, influencing yields and resource management. The use of genetically modified plants with enhanced root systems has also shown potential to increase yields and adapt to changing environmental conditions. However, root systems can also cause soil degradation and contribute to soil compaction, leading to reduced water infiltration and increased carbon dioxide emission. Looking to the future, advancements in root biology and engineering could further optimize root systems for sustainability and resilience, particularly in the context of climate change. By 2050, we can expect significant improvements in root architectures